Running a restaurant is a two-stage story. Front stage is where your customers eat delightful food, and backstage is where your staff prepare that food and manage restocking of supplies. To make profit, you need to have a clear picture of both these processes, how the money is coming in, and how it's going out. Now the problem is that the backstage picture is sort of blurry, because the whole process of inventory management, from purchasing supplies to taking deliveries, is cumbersome and not streamlined. Unfortunately, restaurateurs today are still dependent on the archaic methods of ordering, purchasing, and accounting, which is ineffective and stressful for your employees. Wouldn't it be amazing if the whole experience of purchasing is streamlined? Introducing Zeffu, a revolutionary solution that provides you a clear picture of your back processes. Here's how it works. Your staff submits new purchase requirement using Zeffu's mobile app or a web browser. Zeffu automatically sends this requirement summary to the approver, who can approve, decline, or edit the requirement. Based on the approver's decision, Zeffu sends an automated SMS and email to the vendor. When the items reach the restaurant, the receiver matches the items and their quantities with the purchase order. After that, Zeffu allows the restaurant to easily upload and add bills of the completed purchase orders, thereby streamlining the entire process. Zeffu helps restaurant owners to control purchasing and improve efficiency. Best of all, its analytics feature offers deep insights into your business and prevents fudging, such as over-invoicing and duplication of bills, thereby reducing costs. Contact us for a free demo today and witness the change Zeffu brings into your restaurant business.